Hey everyone, it's me Binit here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing, easy, and useful Windows shortcuts that you probably aren't using, but definitely need to know. These shortcuts will save you time and make your computing experience more efficient, so let's get started. Shortcut number 1, Windows plus D. The first shortcut on our list is the Windows plus D shortcut. This shortcut will quickly minimize all your open windows and take you straight to your desktop. So, if you have a cluttered desktop and need to access a file or folder, this shortcut will save you time by minimizing all your windows in just one keystroke. Shortcut number 2, Windows plus E. The second shortcut on our list is the Windows plus E shortcut. This shortcut will open up a new File Explorer window, which is great if you need to quickly access your files or folders. It's a simple shortcut, but it can save you a lot of time if you use it frequently. Shortcut number 3, Windows plus L. The third shortcut on our list is the Windows plus L shortcut. This shortcut will lock your computer and take you straight to the login screen. It's a quick way to secure your computer if you need to step away for a moment or if you're leaving your computer unattended. Shortcut number 4, Windows plus S. The fourth shortcut on our list is the Windows plus S shortcut. This shortcut will open up the Windows search bar, which is a great tool for quickly finding files, apps, and settings. You can even use this search bar to search the web, which is great if you need to quickly look something up. Shortcut number 5, Alt plus Tab. The fifth and final shortcut on our list is the Alt plus Tab shortcut. This shortcut will quickly switch between your open windows, making it easy to multitask and switch between apps. It's a simple shortcut, but it's one of the most useful on this list. So, there you have it, 5 amazing, easy, and useful Windows shortcuts that you probably aren't using, but definitely need to know. Give them a try and see how much time you can save in your computing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.